There's this misconception out there that really gets on my nerves, and that is the idea that we need to be able to do all the things as actors. Now, yes, we do need to be excellent at the craft of acting and also the business side of moving our careers forward, but some people have taken that to mean that we literally need to be able to do everything. We need to be some kind of like jack of all trades. We need to know how to design postcards and how to edit our own films and how to design websites and how to retouch photographs and how to write a great press release. And don't get me wrong, I'm all for self-sufficiency on our core tasks as actors, but being able to do a quick edit on a self-tape is one thing, being able to edit your own short film is another. I have seen firsthand that when you are trying to do everything, oftentimes the things that are most important fall by the wayside. And you sometimes end up with some products that are just kind of mediocre. So rather than trying to become a jack of all trades, we need to be focused on developing our artistry, becoming the best actors that we can be, building our networks, and doing those things that are truly within our zones of genius. These are the things that we really enjoy and the things that we can get really good at. Now, you might be thinking, well, Asia Ray, I don't have any money, and I'm going to challenge you on that. You actually don't need money to get great help and support with a lot of these things. I see actors in our community at the table, trading and helping each other all the time. So get out there and get creative and start spending as much time as possible in your zone of genius.